Or welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video, and on today's video I will be guiding you how to log into BLACKBUCK employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer, and on the search URL type in BLACKBUCK employee login. Press enter. Then you'll be taken to this interface. From here, click on this second link provided to you that says BLACKBUCK. Again, click on Employee Login button from your interface and you will be directed to the login page. Now, in order to log in, you have to select your Google account. So select your Google account. After that, you have to enter your password, and once you do that, you will be logged into BLACKBUCK employee account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.